The blockchains have overwhelmed the money display, and the monetary environment is loaded with isolated individual smaller than usual tokens that have made the digital currency ecospace very divided. Consequently, the whole usefulness of FTX token, FTT, depends on making itself genuinely one of a kind, beating the skeptic crypto scene. With an extraordinary spotlight on giving force to cryptographic forms of money, FTX has arisen as an original trade in the digital currency fragment. FTX token offers dealers a one-of-a-kind platform that rouses their devotion and offers power-pressed highlights that are unbelievable in regular cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and others. Before we start with FTX token cost forecast, how about we actually take a look at FTX token outline? FTX token, the team. Upheld by a group of committed experts who are involved with their devotion to specialized mastery on blockchain calculations, FTX token specialists work non-stop. The organogram begins with CEO and founder Sam Bankman-Fried, trailed by CTO Gary Wang, President Brett Harrison, and co-coordinator. FTX token, the exemplary characteristics. FTX token gives a multi-pronged benefit to every one of its financial backers to trade FTX, thinking of it as a productive venture. Dealers are sure of getting an incentive for their cash exchanging FTX, more famous as Coin FTT. FTX token offers versatility and speed as well as viewed as solid and dependable. Counting a uniquely constructed FTX token and cold wallet arrangement, full outside support of all FTX wallet assets, and associations with industry-driving caretakers, FTX token has a gauge of industry devotees. Mix of stablecoins has given FTX token an edge to give extra liquidity, empowering a quicker and more secure exchanging experience. Different functionalities too, like withdrawal, store, and easy-to-understand exchanges are only a portion of the many highlights FTX token comes furnished with. FTX token, the corporate social responsibility. The non-profit arm of FTX token backings guideline and consistence as the standards to be executed in the whole biological system of FTX token. Being a key role player, FTX Foundation has teamed up with associations across the world to bridle the capability of moderate innovation. The administration structure is comprehensive and catch-safe. The main individuals from long-range interpersonal communication for noble cause incorporate the Human League, the OpenAI, the Give Well groundwork, and altruism. FTX token is the trailblazer in high regard, essentially on the grounds that more than being simply a stage for lodging a local token FTT, it turns out to be more versatile than other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the cryptographic money market. All things considered, as far as return of speculation of last year, Ethereum beat FTX, and you can check Ethereum cost forecast here. FTX token, historical data and technical analysis. FTX token has made it a leader in cutting-edge arrangements. This vanguard innovation has become fruitful in breaking liberated from the regular strategies of exchange on the lookout. FTX token's local cash FTT that is exchanged on different trades by a huge number of clients overall is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of venture commendable monetary forms. The idleness that at first played for the FTX token is no more there, as the token has acquired client trust, bringing benefit for financial backers as well as merchants. Throughout the course of recent months, the cost of FTX token has shown a huge cost increment. During the last month, the FTX token has enlisted an unsurpassed high at $63.08. Notwithstanding, from that point onward, the FTX cost confronted a sharp dive, and at present, it exchanges around $34. A habitually and distinctly noticed quality of FTX token cost in the digital money market is that it has shown the most whimsical and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with descending bear, nailing down development. As a gullible participant, this crypto resource is yet to build up some decent forward movement of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. FTX token price prediction 2022 to 2026. A profound entrance into the raw numbers of FTX token, FTT, has an out-and-out various story to uncover. Regardless of having huge future potential and commitments of hopeful exchanging, the token has a great deal of motivations to work harder to coordinate to its eyes opposite its rivals. As indicated by our crypto gauges, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. A ton of patching up is required by the designers to show greater dexterity in rolling out extremist improvements to the basics of the undertaking. This could assist with pushing the cost to the pinnacle. However, FTX token didn't beat during the last year. A large portion of the contenders of FTX token, FTT, also didn't entrance the merchants by the same token. Just to be pair with hopeful evangelists, assuming we consider that FTX token cost will arrive at the moon by 70% in the year 2021, and furthermore keeping the early highlights of FTX token being not difficult to store, and mechanical headway of dispersed web use for versatility and capacity, this could drive FTX token flexibility rate and increment its cost to around $60 toward the finish of 2021. FTX token price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that FTX token, FTT, is ready for a rise even in the following year, for example 2022, with enough volume and supply. Keeping in context the series of successive pinnacles and box, the cost for FTT just keeps on demonstrating a positive pattern among the retreating pandemic situation, contacting the $57.32 mark. FTX token price prediction 2023. Regardless of whether finding rivals clears a way for FTX token, FTT, speculations a piece troublesome, it would cause a misfortune, however just small, dropping to $62.21 on the cost outline. Nonetheless, this stays as a negative situation, and a few specialists don't anticipate this condition for venture exhortation. FTX token price prediction 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is indeed anticipated that FTX token, FTT, will manage the crypto graph with an exhibition of cost fixed at $78.46. This is a practically identical development proportion that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows FTT can possibly support itself in the market of advanced resources. FTX token price prediction 2025. As per our drawn-out forecasts, 2025 could check as the benchmark year, as FTX token cost is anticipated to outperform $91.99 definitely. With mass reception,